spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. And now to the new items. The big news this week is the release of Lionel's 2024 Volume 1 catalog. For a thorough breakdown of the new products, follow the link in the top right corner of your screen. Among the highlights of the new catalog are new Legacy 284 Berkshires in multiple nickel plate road versions, plus C&O, DT&I, and Paramarquette for $1699.99. New Legacy H7 288 2 steamers in multiple C&O versions, plus Rio Grande, RF&P, and 2 Union Pacific versions for $1999.99. New Legacy 460 10-wheelers in B&O, Jersey Central, NYC and Hudson River, New York Central, Western Pacific, Christmas, and Northern Pacific versions for $799.99. New wood passenger car sets in Royal Blue, Halloween, Christmas, Pennsylvania, and New York Central versions. New Legacy 442 Hiawatha steamers in multiple Milwaukee Road versions, plus Lionel lines, Chicago Northwestern, Union Pacific, Seaboard, and Christmas colors for $1199.99, and a variety of matching Hiawatha-style passenger cars. Various new colors for the Legacy GP9s, including GP9Bs in Pennsylvania, Conrail, and Union Pacific colors. New Legacy ES44 diesels in a variety of colors, including Norfolk Southern Heritage and new CSX Heritage schemes for $749.99 each. New Legacy SD45 diesels with road name-specific details in Santa Fe, Delaware and Hudson, Rio Grande, Reading, Frisco, and Southern Pacific versions for $649.99. Legacy E6 sets in B&O, Seaboard, Rock Island, Milwaukee Road, Southern, and Burlington E5 versions for $1199.99 per pair. New Rock Island Capone commuter cars for $999.99 and a 4-pack, and a new Burlington passenger set. New Legacy SW8 diesels in Detroit Edison, Erie and Lackawanna, Reading and Northern, Texas and Pacific, U.S. Air Force, and Chicago Northwestern versions for $549.99. New Legacy U28C diesels with road name-specific details in Pennsylvania, Penn Central, Conrail, L&N, Seaboard System, Southern Pacific, and Union Pacific versions for $649.99 each. Legacy train sets in nickel plate Berkshire Freight, Atomic Energy Commission GP9 Freight, and Illinois Central City of Miami E6 passenger configurations. New Looney Tunes rolling stock in both scale and traditional sizes. Retooled hotbox reefers with lights and sound effects, as well as smoke in multiple road names. New scale milk cars with high-speed trucks in multiple road names. A collection of Union Pacific World War II poster cars and matching caboose. New PS1 boxcars with freight sounds in various road names for $209.99 each. Scale 8,000-gallon tank cars, flat cars with twin 20-foot trailers, PS2 2-bay covered hoppers, Union Pacific-styled CA1 wood cabooses and Pennsylvania-style N6B wood cabooses are all available in various road names. Classic steel 50-foot boxcars are available in Bangor and Aroostook, Central of Georgia, Norfolk Southern, and Sioux Line colors for $79.99 each, and 40-foot scale wood-sided reefers are available in A&P, Byron Cornblue, Western Pacific, and Swift colors, also for $79.99. Completing the scale line of models are modern 50-foot tank cars in ADM, Cargill, BNSF, and GATX colors, singly and in 3-packs, as well as new AAR 2-bay hoppers in C&O, Erie, nickel plate, and Milwaukee Road colors. The tank cars list for $89.99 each or $259.99 for a 3-pack, while the hoppers list for $79.99 each or $239.99 for a 3-pack. The traditional line kicks off with Lion Chief Plus nickel plate style Berkshires in nickel plate, Paramarquette, C&O, and L&N colors for $599.99 each. For more contemporary fans, new Lion Chief Plus Genesis diesels are available in 4 different Amtrak schemes and 3 Metro North schemes for $549.99 each. Lion Chief Plus Doodlebugs are also available in B&O, Burlington, East Broad Top, GM&O, New York Central, Northern Pacific, Polar Express, and Rock Island colors for $399.99 each. Lion Chief starter sets include the Disney Frozen Olaf set for $479.99, a John Deere steamer set for $429.99, and the Prairie Freight set featuring a newly retooled 2025 style 262 steamer for $429.99. The 262 is available separately in Santa Fe, Pennsylvania, Christmas, and U.S. Army colors for $329.99 each, and the newly retooled post-war style 242 is available in the Olaf and John Deere sets, as well as for separate sales in Lionel lines, Burlington, Halloween, Christmas, and NYC Pacemaker colors for $249.99 each. Lion Chief diesels include separate sale FTs in Lionel lines, Pennsylvania, DC Comics The Flash, Halloween, and Union Pacific colors for $299.99, as well as dummy add-ons for the Santa Fe and Texas Special passenger sets for $199.99 each. Lion Chief ET44 diesels are available in CSX, BNSF, DC Comics Dark Knight, Polar Express, Christmas, and U.S. Army versions for $299.99 each. New O27 track speeders based on K-Line's original tooling are available in Chesney System, Chicago Northwestern, Rock Island, Army Transportation Corps, Polar Express, Christmas, and Area 51 colors for $189.99 each. Traditional size streamlined passenger cars are available in Lionel lines, Pennsylvania, Halloween, Christmas, and Union Pacific colors. Lionel's traditional size Harry Potter products include 5 new boxcars and a Dementor's operating aquarium car. In addition to the previously mentioned DC Comics locomotives, the Justice League line also includes new Batman and Green Lantern security cars, as well as an Aquaman tank car and Superman steel I-beam car. Lionel's Thomas Kincaid line includes 3 new traditional-sized Mickey and Minnie boxcars and a Christmas boxcar for $99.99 each, and a 262 Prairie and Patriotic F3s join the Angela Trotta Thomas boxcar line, also for $99.99 each. 3 new Barbie boxcars, as well as a new Wizard of Oz car join the lineup, also for $99.99 each. Bob Ross-themed products join the traditional Lionel line, including 2 boxcars, an art studio, and a water tower. New Mr. Rogers Neighborhood products are available, including a Mr. Rogers Neighborhood sound boxcar for $119.99, an aquarium car for $129.99, and a Fred Rogers boxcar for $99.99. Officially licensed Ford and Chevy crane cars join the lineup for $119.99 each. Lionel's Anheuser-Busch line adds 2 new scale-size cars for $99.99 each, a traditional-size boxcar for $99.99, and a lighted bar sign reefer for $149.99. Lionel has also added the new Wings of Angels boxcars, featuring 3 iconic World War II warbirds and artwork inspired by period nose art for $109.99 each. And new Army-themed items include a U.S. Army boxcar, a flat car with Sherman tank, and U.S. Army Triple Dome tank car. New commemorative boxcars for the East Broad Top, California Zephyr, and the First Continental Congress are also available for $99.99 each. A wide variety of scale and traditional size Polar Express items are available, commemorating the 20th anniversary of the film. That's one big book. Menards has released new colors for their ACF tube bay center flow covered hoppers, Burlington Northern. Cars are currently available online for $34.99 each, or 4 for $114.99 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 O-Gauge Rail King Husky Stack cars in Union Pacific, BNSF, CSX, Norfolk Southern, and Kansas City Southern colors next spring. Each of these offerings will be available in limited quantities and is expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in April 2024. The suggested retail price is $84.95 each, or 3 for $239.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-Scale U25B diesel locomotive in Milwaukee Road colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. The locomotives will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in May 2024. The early order price is $519.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-Scale bi-level passenger set in Southern Pacific colors for MTH dealer Public Delivery Track. The cars will be packaged in 3 two-car consists and will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2024. The early order price is $274.95 per pair. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier line O-Scale 36-foot woodside reefer in Bohack Supermarkets and in Traumer's Brewery colors, available in limited quantities. The pre-order price is $84.95 each, with free shipping. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge gondola car in Wildwood and Delaware Bay colors for retailer Holly Beach Train Depot in Wildwood, New Jersey. The gondola will be available in 2 unique car numbers and is slated to arrive in March 2024. The early order price is $64.95 plus freight. MTH has announced an exclusive Black Bonnet Santa Fe gondola car with coil covers for Patrick's Trains. The early order price is $59.95 with expected delivery late this year. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-Scale 70-ton 3-bay hopper car in Louisville and Nashville colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The cars will be packaged in single-car and 4-car consists, with each car sporting unique car numbers. They will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2024. The early order price is $67.95 each, or a 4-pack for $249.95. And don't forget to visit our new Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links, so you can find the item you want and support our channel at the same time. Remember to check out our latest long-form video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.